Well, my scanner never lies. I keep it on during the day just in case I might hear Fred, and I just did. Been waiting again most of the day for ELS 402 to come back south. A little bit of snow on the ground, and the video after this, if I get a video on Tuesday, you're going to see a lot more snow. Big winter storm coming in, beginning tonight. Right now they're calling for between 4 to 7 inches for this area. That'll be interesting. Good little string of cars behind that train. About 11 cars or so. I don't guess they'll have problems pulling this like they did that last train, huh? If you haven't seen it, you should go watch it. They were moving probably a foot a minute. That's not even an exaggeration. Anyway, we're hoping to see some freight coming north of the Green Bay area after they finally get that situation taken care of. They did have a derailment, 2 of them to be exact, and as far as I know it's fixed, but we have yet to see a northbound train from that area. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. How much snow are you calling for in your area, and where? Have a great day, everybody.